Hello everyone, this is a demonstration of Ansible playbooks, and there are two playbooks in this project. The first one is to create an instance in our cloud. The other one is used to install dependency and deploy the CouchDB website to our server. So now let's learn the first one. Yeah, you start to install all the dependency and try to create volumes. Yeah, and also create the security groups, define the security the rules of every security group, and edit them into the server and mount the volume to server. And now we finish the steps. And now we run the second playbook to install dependency and deploy CouchDB cluster and our website. That's all. Thanks for watching. The system is developed over 4 nodes, and it contains 3 components. First is a pre-process of data, then a database, then is a website used to display our detailed works. And first is a 4-node MPI cluster of the 4 nodes used to pull in data from Twitter, Parallel, and delete unnecessary property from the original tweet. Then, before they store into the database, we also analyze the emotion of every tweet and add them into the entity we stored in the database. Finally, everything is stored into a CloudGDP cluster, and a Django server also developed in our system, used to handle the requests from internet. Once the end user is send a request to the server through internet, it will call the corresponding module to retrieve data from database and response to the user. So that's all about the system.
From some perspective, people's behavior are affected by the 7 deadline things, and they may express their emotion in words on social media. We believe that a person who is arousable has a higher probability to engage in criminal activity. Thus, our hypothesis is that there may be a positive correlation between number of wrathful tweets and the offender rate in a city. And as we can see, our homepage shows our topic. The navigation bar could direct a user to other pages. And on the map, click on the marker on map could view the total number of tweets in the city and the number of wrathful tweets on a bar chart. And the analysis page shows more detailed graph. The analysis page shows more detailed graph about our findings. The biggest bubble shows the percentage of wrathful tweet across Australia. The small bubbles shows the percentage of wrathful tweets in each state capital cities. This graph shows percentage of wrathful tweet for each city over a week. User could click on the sidebar to highlight the line. The point detail could be viewed by touching it. And then this graph shows the percentage of wrathful tweet for each city in day. The functionality of the graph is the same as last one. And to verify the rationality of results we got, we download data from Orange, select 5 main cities, and we got the number of offenders per 100,000 person. So we obtained the offender rate for each place. We compute the correlation using R. The value of correlation is about 0.77. The positive value approach to 1 means there is a roughly strong correlation between these 2 variables. And as shown in the picture, the city has higher percentage wrathful tweets, is more likely to have a higher offender rate. And for the graph, this graph shows the percentage of wrathful tweet over a week. From the graph, the average of the percentage of wrathful tweet each day is about 2.5%, except for Monday, which is 1.5% higher. We may conclude that people are a little bit wrathful when they come back for weekends, thus reflect a stressful lifestyle of Australians. The percentage of wrathful tweet over a day is roughly about 2.75%, and 9 o'clock in the morning and 5 o'clock in the evening are 2 periods with high percentage of wrathful tweets. further study could be made to analysis tweets in these two periods to examine life of Australians. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.